Hey, welcome back everyone, and in this today's video we are going to see how can we install Ollama into our machine. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let's see what is Ollama. So Ollama is a free and open source tool that allows you to download, run and manage large language models locally. So if you want to use LLM privately in your local machine, then you can use Ollama. Now let's see how to install it. So first, go to Google and search for Ollama download. Now here, click on the first result. So this is the website of Ollama. From here you can download Ollama. So first we need to choose our operating system. Currently I am using macOS. So here I am selecting macOS and then just click on this download button. Okay, so see here, it's getting download. So once it completed, then just click on it and then drag this Ollama into application. So I have already installed this in my machine. I'll just click on replace. So after this, open Ollama application. I'm just opening it. Now you can see here, I can start the conversation. So before doing this, you need to select the model. So here you can see I have a list of models. From here you can select any model of your choice. Just select the model and then send a message. Then after that, wait for some time. Now you can see it started downloading that model. So once it finished it, then you can use this model. So in the meantime, let's see the supported models. So you can see here, I am at the library page of Ollama, and here we have a lots of models, and you can use all of these models with the help of Ollama. So for example, if I want to use DeepSeek R1, then open this and now you can see we have this command to use this model. So currently we are installing the model with the help of this Ollama application. So it's a GUI, but I'll show you the other way as well. So we can also install the models with the help of the terminal. So now you can see the download is completed and now I can start the conversation. So let's send the hi message again. Okay, so you can see it's working seamlessly. Now let's see how can we install a model with the help of command line. So first let's choose a model. So here I want to download this Gemma 3. So I'm just copying the model name. Then open the terminal. Let me expand it. And now run this command Ollama. Now if you are seeing these commands, then it means Ollama is successfully installed. Now let's see how can we install a model with the help of this CLI tool. So here you can see here I want to install this model Gemma 3, which has 270 million parameters. So to install it, what we can do, just copy this model name and then open the terminal again, then run Ollama, run and paste the name here. Once you hit enter, it will start the process. So now you can see we have successfully installed the model. If I say hi here, it's working, and because it's running locally, it's very fast. So Ollama is a great tool if you want to build something with the help of LLM. Ollama also provides a HTTP server. So let's see the commands again. So now you can see we have the first command serve. So with the help of this command we can start the server. So let's run that command Ollama serve. So you can see this is already in use, which means our server is already started. Now I can access Ollama on this address. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want to see more videos about LLMs, LangChain or agentic AIs, then please comment it down below. I will definitely create videos on those topics. If you found this video helpful, then like this video and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. I will see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.